Are you tired of manually updating your financial records between Shopify and Xero? Let's explore how to automate and simplify the integration process, ensuring your accounts always reflect the latest transactions. First, let's head over to Xero. We need a tool to simplify the tasks. Click on the waffle icon, often referred to as the waffle iron menu, at the top right corner, and select e-commerce. This will take you to the Xero App Store, a place where you can find numerous useful e-commerce add-ons for your Xero account. In the search bar, type PayTraQer. Click on the app to open its details. Here, you'll find a Get This App button. Click on it to integrate SaasAnt PayTraQer with your Xero account. Now, get started with SaasAnt PayTraQer. Click the gear icon from the top right corner and select e-commerce accounts. Next, click Add to connect with your preferred e-commerce account. Here you'll find Shopify as your e-commerce system. Now, enter your Shopify link. You can find it in your Shopify store. Just copy and paste it from your store. Proceed by clicking Connect. Your Shopify account is now successfully connected with SaasAnt PayTraQer. Continue with Next. Here you'll find an option to start with the Express setting to make the process quick. Once you are in, you can download historical transactions with custom dates and stores. Now all the transactions within the custom dates provided are downloaded. Here, you can review and sync your transactions in Xero. Once you've reviewed them, click Save and Sync. If you want to bulk import your transactions, you can use a check mark to sync them with Xero. Once it is completed, you'll see a report indicating how many transactions have been successful and how many have failed. Here, all 4 transactions have successfully synced with Xero. To double-check whether the transactions are correctly synced with Xero, click the successful transaction and select Action Details for the transaction you need to check. Now, proceed with Open in Xero. Here in Xero, you'll find the transactions you have imported through SaasAnt PayTraQer. If you have synced your transactions incorrectly, don't worry. Through SaasAnt, you can undo all the synced transactions with Xero. Just go to the Synced Review report, check all boxes, and click Undo Sync All. Now, you'll get the report for how many transactions have been successfully reverted. Check the Non-Synced Transactions review, and you'll find all the reverted transactions. And there you have it. With SaasAnt transactions, your days of manually entering data into Xero are over. It's the game changer for effortless, accurate, and quick data import. Why spend hours on manual entry when SaasAnt can handle it in minutes? Click the link below, start your free trial, and step into a world of accounting made easy.